Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to online classes. Student, today is Saturday and you are going to join your SST class. Dear students, yesterday you have finished your fourth periodic exam. Now you have to do preparation for your coming annual exam. So student, this is your last chapter and your chapter name is I am proud to be an Indian. This is chapter 14 and as you know that you are going to know about India in this chapter. In this chapter, dear student, I will explain you about your motherland. So student, please be careful and listen the video properly. Dear student, in this chapter, I have shown the clip of page number 92 and 93. In this page number, you will see the map of India and their neighboring countries. And in page number 1993, I have shown you the Himalayan Ridge, the Northern Plain, the Deccan Plateau, the Indian Desert, the Western Ghat, the Eastern Ghat, the Bay of Bengal, Andaman Nicobar Island, the Arabian Sea, and Lakshadweep Island. It means in this page I will explain you about Indian Ocean. So student, please see the page number 92. In this page, dear student, you will see the map of India and their neighboring country. So student, please take your pencil and underline the chapters. Student, take out your pencil, underline the hard word of the chapter. In this chapter, now I will start reading one by one lines. See the first line. India is my country. You know your motherland name? Your motherland name is India. We are Indians. So India is my country. Underline the word India and country. I am proud to be an Indian. You all, we are very happy that we are living in India. So we feel proud that we are an Indians. My motherland is vast and beautiful. India is seventh largest country in the world. In terms of land area, the Indian mainland spreads from Kashmir to Tamil Nadu and Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. India spreads over 3,28,700 to 263 square kilometers. There are 29 states, but students now it became 28 states. So I will explain you about the Indian state and capitals also. This book is old, so here is written about 29 states of India. So student, in this paragraph, you came to know that from where to where India is spreaded, and you know the kilometers and square kilometers of India. So student, now please see the map of India. In this map, you can see the state's name. So please see from the north part of the India. You can see Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, then Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Jaipur, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Chandigarh, Gujarat, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Bengaluru, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Chennai, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Ranchi, then Bihar, Patna, West Bengal, Bangladesh, Tripura, Agartala. Then you can see the upper part. There is Gangtok, Sikkim, Dispur, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Kohima, Manipur, Bhopal, Aizawl, Mizoram, Agartala, Tripura. So student, I have shown the map of India. Here written, here you can see what is written in the next para. Look at the political map of India. You can see 29 states, but we can see 28 states. Write the name of your state. Your state name is Bihar and your capital is Patna. Now student, come to the next page. In this next page you will see, do you know, there are 7 union territory in India. These areas are under the direct control of central government. India has different types of landforms. There are mountains in the north, the Himalayas. They receives heavy snowfall. The plain lies to the south of Himalayas. They are good for growing crops. The central part of India is plateau. So you can see the first paragraph. What is written here? Here is described about the landform of India. The landform of India is the mountain. The mountain is surrounded in north areas, North Himalayan. They receive heavy snowfall. And South Himalayas, the plain lies. They are good for growing crops. And the central part of India is a plateau. There is the desert, Thar Desert. The Ghats are next to the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Two groups of islands also form a part of India. First group of island is called Andaman Nicobar Island and second is Lakshadweep. So students, here you can see, do you know also, India has population of over 121 crores. This book is old, so the datas are wrong. So please don't think on it. You only study about your chapter, related chapter. You study only the related chapter. Now you can see the map of islands. Here is shown the, in blue line you can see the Himalayan range, and in green lines you can see the northern plain, and in the yellow is Indian desert, and center is red, shown with red, it is Deccan Plateau, and again you will see the green lines, it is Western Ghat and Eastern Ghats, and inside it you can see light brown areas also. In left you can see the Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep, and in the right you can see the Bay of Bengal and Andaman or Nicobar. So student, like this, page number 92 and 93 is finished, and now I will show you the map of India. See the beautiful map of India. Here you can see easily, and here with the red mark is given on the map. The red marks indicates the capital of the states. So from this map you can easily identify it. Now students, please come to the next. The next is very important, that is state and capital. Here I have shown you the 28 states. Number 1 is Andhra Pradesh. Its capital is Hyderabad. Number 2 is Arunachal Pradesh. Capital is Itanagar. Number 3 is Assam, Dispur. Number 4 is Bihar, Patna. Number 5 is Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Number 6 is Goa, Panji. Number 7 is Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Number 8 is Haryana, Chandigarh. Number 9 is Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Number 10 is Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. Number 11 is Jharkhand, Ranchi. Number 12 is Karnataka, Bengaluru. Number 13 is Kerala, Trivandrum Puranam. Next, number 14, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Number 15, Maharashtra, Mumbai. Number 16, Manipur, Imphal. Number 17, Meghalaya, Shillong. Number 18, Mizoram, Aizawl. Number 19, Nagaland, Kohima. Number 20, Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Number 21, Punjab, Chandigarh. Number 22, Rajasthan, Jaipur. 23, Sikkim, Gangtok. 24, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. 25, Telangana, Hyderabad. 26, Tirupura, Agartala. Again, you can see 27, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. 28, Uttarakhand, Dehradun. And last, West Bengal, Kolkata. Now your state and capital is finished. So students, be careful. You will see the state and capitals of your states and you will write it properly in your CW copy. And please be careful because the annual exam is going to be start in month of March, first week. So be ready and you have to give the exam very carefully. So student, please be punctual and do your class and do your class works. In this exam, in fourth periodic test, I have seen that very few students have given the exam. Only 27-28 student is appearing in the exam. What is the reason? I am not knowing, but this is very bad and it will affect on your promotion also. So student, be careful because in coming session the school is going to be open, so you have to punctual for your attendance also. Now I will give you the homeworks. See the homeworks. Number 1, copy the state and capital list in your copy. Number 2, stick the map of India by marking states and capital. Students, please write states and capital in your copy and please purchase 1 rupees map from your stationery shop and show the name and state names and capital names, and please give a star mark near the capital of each state and read the topic carefully and underline the hard words, write the hard words 10 times in your copy and learn the spelling by heart. So student, now my chapter is not chapter but today class is going to be end. So student, today I have finished my page number 92 and 93 and again I will be with you on coming Wednesday. So student, be careful and do your work carefully and join the class also. So thanking you. Goodbye. Have a nice day, my dear students.